Look who just arrived. Our Sentro Knitting Machine. This is how the box look like, and all the tools and all the tips and tricks they have inside to tell you. And we already took it out of the box, so let me show you what it is inside. So inside we have the instructions, which obviously I'm gonna pay really good attention to them. There we go, my daughter is showing it to you. Then we have the legs of the machine, and then comes here with the rubbery things to attach it to a surface, and screwdrivers and everything. We are gonna assemble this right now. Then there are a few yarns. There are my little ones showing them all to you. Let's see, let's get them all out. Yes. So we have those colors there.
The brown.
Boy, there is, look, tapestry needle.
The tapestry.
A tapestry needle. It's all matching colors. And then the box, there comes the machine. And there we go. You can put the box away. Make sure there's nothing else on the box, kids.
And then this is how you use it.
And that's how you use it.
And then it starts moving.
And then it start making rounds, yeah.
Make
My daughter
something.
just explaining it to you. So we want to make a few cardigans.
Put your yarn there.
Okay, we want to make few cardigans. I got gorgeous yarns the other day. Look at this. So we want to make cardigans with them, and beanies and scarves. So I'm gonna try a cardigan and let's see what it comes out of it. If it's good enough, I will be sharing with you. Otherwise, you will just see us unboxing our Sentro machine, which I'm really looking forward to assemble it. And that's what I'm going to do right now. And once I learn how to use it and how to do a lot of things with it, I will come back to you. And if my kids don't break it first, and then I will explain you how to use it.